Chartered Accountancy, CA, is one of the most sought-after and toughest professional courses in the country. It is a dream profession for many and is quite rewarding too. Chartered Accountancy as a career offers various advantages apart from a range of options to choose from. Here are 5 reasons why you should choose CA as a career. On 5th, CA is more than just numbers. Many people think that Chartered Accountancy is boring and that it is all about numbers. However, this is a misconception, as CA is more than just number crunching. Chartered accountants play different and interesting roles in making businesses successful across sectors. Salary packages of CA are pretty impressive. When it comes to choosing a career path, salary, remuneration, and other benefits are an important consideration. The salaries of CA are pretty impressive in comparison to other professionals. Chartered accountants are also among the most highly paid professionals in India. The average salary package for newly qualified CA is around Rs 6 to 7 lakhs per annum, and one can make even more money after gaining some experience. Here, Chartered Accountancy is also a great career option for those who want to pursue an international career. Not only in India, but the demand for CA is high in several other countries too. Along with CA, candidates can complete globally recognized certifications and professional qualifications in relevant fields that can offer additional skill. Chartered Accountancy as a career option offers great flexibility in the profession. Almost all companies, irrespective of their size and the sector they operate in, need financial professionals. This allows CA to work in different sectors. The training offered under the CA program helps candidates adapt to and work in any sector. You were watching Elite Gurukul. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.